Alright, let's look at the homework 2.4, problem number 10. Alright, so let's write the proof for limit of 1 over x to the fourth as x approaches 0 is equal to infinity. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, here's our scratch work as usual. Scratch work. Alright. So let's see. So definition is for all m, there exists a corresponding delta positive, such that as long as distance between x and 0 is between 0 and delta, implies that the function, which is 1 over x to the fourth, is greater than m. Alright, so let's do that. So it's a 1 over x to the fourth. Let's start with this guy and try to connect with that. So this is really the same thing as just absolute value of x, right? Alright, so here, start with this guy. 1 over x to the fourth is greater than m, right? Or actually, I just copied it. Why do that? Alright, so here I'm gonna take the reciprocal of both sides, and we get x to the fourth, and it's 1 over m. And when you take the reciprocal, you have to change the direction of the inequality. Alright, then after that, we can take this fourth root of both sides. You get the absolute value of x, right? And this is going to be a fourth root of 1 over m, right? So we think that this is going to be the delta value, right? So this is going to be our delta value, right? Because we compare with that, right? So we can write a proof. So proof, right? So for all capital M greater than 0, there exists delta. We're going to set that to be fourth root of 1 over m, which is going to be positive, such that if absolute value of x is between 0 and delta, right, which means that since we already know that delta is fourth root of 1 over m, right, then we can raise it to the fourth power. So you have x to the fourth. Since it's an even power, we don't need the absolute value. And a 1 over m. And if you take the reciprocal, we get 1 over x to the fourth and m. Then we have to change the inequality. And then this is exactly what we wanted to say. Alright, so let's type it in. Alright, here we have 1 over x to the fourth is greater than m, which is take the reciprocal. So we have x to the fourth is less than 1 over m. And this guy is, oops, I can't see here. Then take the fourth root. So we're going to do the, let's see, where's the fourth root function? Here. We take the fourth root of 1 over m. And we choose this guy to be, again, fourth root of 1 over m to be the delta. And this is, again, the same thing. Let's see, function fourth root of 1 over m. And then this is going to be, we have that. So here. Submit for testing. Alright, it came back and it looks like we have the same answer for 3 boxes. But that's it. I hope that this was clear.